Okay, in first step, kabalo naman ta unsaon pagkuha sa mean. Diba? I-multiply lang ni. And then, pag makuha natong result, i-add na to tanan para makuha si mean. Sige, let's multiply this one. 1 times 0.10 is equal to, same na na, diba? Okay, 2 times 0.30. So, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So, 0.60. Dani, 3 times 0.20. 2 times 3 is 6. 0.60 gihapon. So, 4 times 0.40. So, let's calculate this one. 4 times 0.40 is equal to 1.6. So, 1.6. Then, i-add na to tanan. Let's calculate. 0.10 plus 0.6 plus 0.6 plus 1.6. The answer is 2.9. So, our mean, 2.9. Okay, next step, let's subtract all the values of x sa ato ang mean. So, first, 1 minus 2.9. So, 1 minus 2.9 is equal to negative 1.9. Next, 2 minus 2.9 equal to 0 and negative 0.9. Next, 3 minus 2.9 is equal to 0.1. Next, 4 minus 2.9. 4 minus 2.9 is 1.1. Okay, next step, i-square lang na to ang result sa step 2. So, for example, kanin, negative 1.9. So, sa calculator, open parenthesis, negative 1.9, close parenthesis. Tuplukon na nila to, squared, then equal to 3.61. Next, negative 0.9 squared equal to 0.81. Next, 0.1 squared is equal to 0.01. Next, 1.1 squared is equal to 1.21. Next, ang result sa step 3, i-multiply na to siya sa p of x. Sige, let's have calculators. 3.61 times 0.10 is equal to 0.361. Next, 0.81 times 0.30. So, the answer is 0.243. Next, 0.01 times 0.20 times 0.20. So, as you can see na ay raised to negative 3. So, diba, sa 2, start na dani, count ta, mag-move ta og decimal. 1, 2, 3. So, therefore, na dani ang decimal, the answer would be 0.002. 0.002. Next, 1.21. So, 1.21 times 0.40. So, the result is 0.484. Okay, para ma-solve na to ang variance, i-plus lang na to tanan answer sa step 4. Which is kani. Okay, sige. Let's add 0.361 plus 0.243 plus 0.002 plus 0.484. So, this is equal to 1.09. So, how? Muna siya to ang variance. How are we going to get the standard deviation? Standard deviation, ani, ato walang na siyang i-square root both side, diba? Pag sa radical sign na i-squared, makansel lang na. So, nabilin lang si symbol na. Kana siya. Standard deviation is equal to, so, let's have 1.09. So, the answer would be 1.04.